Hi guys! Hope your weekend is going on well. I have put together the AI news from last week in one video for you. Before we start, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Apple is facing criticism for its AI-driven news summary feature on iPhones, which has produced inaccurate and misleading headlines. The BBC first flagged the issue in December, noting that Apple's AI summaries contradicted original content. Apple's AI has also generated false information in other contexts, such as texts and chats, leading to public concerns about reliability and credibility. Vincent Berthier from Reporters Without Borders called for Apple to remove the feature, citing its danger to public trust in reliable information. Other tech giants, like Google, have also faced similar issues with AI-driven tools. The inaccuracies highlight the immaturity of current AI services and their potential misuse in critical applications.
People are increasingly emotionally attached to chatbots, with millions using AI companions like Replica for friendship, therapy, and romance. These interactions can mimic human-like qualities, leading to genuine emotional connections. The convenience and 24/7 availability of chatbots make them appealing, especially for those seeking unconditional support. However, this attachment also raises consumer protection concerns and the risk of exploitation. As chatbots become more prevalent, it's essential to acknowledge and address these fundamentally human behaviors in our relationships with machines.
OpenAI is planning to introduce specialized AI agents at varying price points, ranging from $2,000 to $20,000 per month. The most expensive agent will support PhD-level research, while a $10,000 monthly agent will cater to software developers. These high-priced agents are designed for tasks like sorting sales leads and high-level research. The move aims to diversify OpenAI's product portfolio and capture a wider market share, particularly targeting corporate clients and academic institutions. Significant investment interest has been shown by SoftBank, committing $3 billion to OpenAI's AI agent technology. This strategy is part of OpenAI's efforts to bolster revenue following substantial financial losses last year.
At MWC 2025, Xiaomi unveiled the Xiaomi 15 Ultra with a 200-megapixel camera, excelling in portrait photos and low-lit environments. The phone features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display and supports 90W wired and 80W wireless charging. Lenovo showcased concept laptops, including a solar-powered yoga laptop and the ThinkBook with an elongated flip-out display. The HonorPad V9, an ultra-portable Android tablet, offers a MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Elite chip and a generous 10,100 mAh battery. Xiaomi also introduced the Buds 5 Pro wireless earbuds, which stream audio via Wi-Fi for 96 kHz or 24-bit lossless playback. Samsung announced 3 new Galaxy A series phones priced below $500, targeting mid-range consumers. These products highlight the innovation and competition at this year's Mobile World Congress. Deutsche Telekom, T-Mobile's parent company, has announced an AI phone powered by Perplexity Assistant. This AI phone will integrate Perplexity at a system-wide level, allowing users to interact with the assistant on the lock screen. The device will also support Google Cloud AI, 11 Labs, and PixArt, enabling features like object recognition, podcast creation, and personalized image generation. The Perplexity Assistant can perform tasks such as booking taxis, reserving tables, translating text in real time, and writing emails. The phone is expected to launch in the second half of 2025 and will be priced under $1,000, targeting the European market. This collaboration marks Perplexity's first major partnership with a telecom carrier to develop an AI interface for a smartphone.
The article discusses the differences between GPT-4 and the upcoming GPT-5. GPT-5 is expected to improve upon GPT-4 in several key areas. Reasoning ability, with better logical coherence and fewer inconsistencies. Accuracy is also expected to be significantly enhanced, focusing more on context to generate precise results. Multimodality capabilities will be expanded with features like video integration, making interactions more seamless. Reliability, will be higher, ensuring consistent answers. Computational capability will be optimized, allowing for faster responses and broader accessibility. Ethical dimensions will prioritize fairness, inclusivity, and safety, reducing bias. GPT-5 aims to unify advanced reasoning and multimodal capabilities, eliminating the need to switch between models for different tasks.
Opera is introducing a significant update to its browsers, including Opera One and Opera GX, with integrated AI agents. This marks the first major browser to incorporate on-device AI, allowing users to access local language models directly within the application. The Opera Browser Operator AI agent, initially demoed as a feature preview, will enable users to perform tasks like buying items or booking tables while browsing. The AI operates natively on the device, keeping data locally and not capturing browsing sessions. The update also includes new features for Opera GX's AI, ARIA, such as image generation and understanding, voice output, and improved chat functionality. These advancements aim to enhance user privacy and provide more interactive browsing experiences.
Elon Musk's Department of Government Efficiency is developing an AI chatbot called GSAI for the U.S. General Services Administration, GSA. The chatbot aims to make 12,000 GSA employees more efficient by drafting memos and running data analyses on contracts. This project aligns with President Donald Trump's goal of implementing AI and automation throughout the U.S. government. The initiative comes in response to China's growing tech influence and the development of affordable AI chatbots to compete with China's DeepSeek AI, which raises data privacy concerns by sending data to the Chinese government.
The U.S. Army is using CamoGPT, a generative AI tool, to remove diversity, equity, and inclusion (DEI) content from its training materials. CamoGPT is available on NIPR and SciPR networks and offers features like persistent chat history, file upload, and retrieval augmentation generation (RAG). It is being used to assist in tasks such as drafting reports and writing awards. Despite its utility, users are cautioned to review AI output thoroughly to avoid misleading results. The Army aims to purge all DEI-related content by March 5th, as part of a broader directive from the Trump administration to eliminate DEI programs across the federal government. Mistral OCR excels in understanding complex documents, including interleaved imagery, mathematical expressions, and tables. It outperforms other OCR models in benchmarks, achieving superior accuracy in text and image extraction. The model is natively multilingual and multimodal, processing up to 2,000 pages per minute. Mistral OCR introduces the concept of doc as prompt, enabling precise instructions for extracting specific information and formatting it in structured outputs like JSON. It is selectively available for self-hosting, ensuring data privacy for sensitive or classified information. The technology is used in various applications such as digitizing scientific research, preserving historical documents, and streamlining customer service by transforming documentation.
Richard Sutton, a pioneer in reward-based machine learning, has won the Turing Award. Sutton's contributions to reinforcement learning, including temporal difference techniques and neural networks, have significantly impacted the field. His work on actor-critic architectures and temporal credit assignment has been influential. Sutton is a professor at the University of Alberta and has been involved in various AI research institutions, including DeepMind. His award recognizes his transformative contributions to artificial intelligence and computer science.
To learn data engineering for free, consider the following 3 courses. Data Engineering for Everyone. This no-code visual introduction by DataCamp covers data ingestions, SQL, ETL, ELT, analytical engineering, and cloud computing. It's ideal for beginners and professionals alike, lasting 2 hours with interactive exercises and video tutorials. 2. Data Engineering. ZoomCamp. This comprehensive 9-week course by DataTalks Club includes project files, video tutorials, and tools. It covers data ingestions, data lakes, workflow orchestration, data warehouses, BigQuery, Airflow, dbt, Data Build Tool, Spark, and Kafka. The course involves real-life projects and peer reviews. 3. AWS Data Engineering, Tutorial for Beginners. This tutorial provides a foundational understanding of AWS services in data engineering. It's designed for those new to the field and covers essential topics like batch processing and automation. These courses are excellent starting points for anyone interested in data engineering and can help you prepare for a career in this highly in-demand field.
Preparing the workforce for an AI-driven economy involves developing skills that complement AI. AI augments human labor, not replaces it. Key strategies include upskilling, reskilling, and continuous learning. New programs should ease worker transitions and incentivize businesses to invest in retraining. Early preparation and ongoing skill upgrades are crucial. Economic policies should support human labor augmentation rather than substituting technology for human skills. The goal is to master AI as a tool, leveraging its potential to enhance productivity and employee retention. Imagine you're cleaning the dishes and your robotic helper misses the mark. But with a new framework from MIT and NVIDIA, you can easily correct its behavior. You can point to the bowl on the screen, trace a trajectory, or simply give the robot's arm a nudge. This intuitive method lets you steer the robot in real time without needing to collect new data or retrain the model. Physically nudging the robot is the most direct way to specify user intent without losing any information. The researchers used a specific sampling procedure to ensure valid actions, making their method outperform others in simulations and real-world experiments. With this framework, you can immediately correct the robot if it's doing something wrong, and the robot can even learn from these corrections for future tasks. So, next time your robot helper makes a mistake, just nudge it in the right direction.
Hugging Face's Smolagents is a lightweight library for developing AI agents, simplifying the process with minimal code. It supports code-centric agents, enabling actions to be performed directly in Python. Smolagents are compatible with various LLMs on the Hugging Face Hub and support multiple modality inputs, like text, vision, and audio. The framework integrates tools from Hugging Face Hub and LangChain, making it versatile for developing powerful agents. It is particularly useful for tasks that require accessing external tools, such as web searches, and can be customized with custom tools. For example, a tool to check if a number is prime can be easily developed using Smolagents. The library focuses on simplicity and practicality, making it an ideal choice for building complex agent logic with minimal effort.
Explainable AI in retail enhances decision-making and customer trust by providing transparency into AI-driven processes. Retailers can understand dataset origins, ensuring ethical use and valid consent. For merchandisers, explainable AI ensures the algorithm is working in line with business objectives, allowing better decision-making. For customers, it builds trust by explaining personalized recommendations. For example, after adding a party dress to the cart, a prompt might suggest party bags, explaining the connection. This transparency improves the shopping experience and fosters loyalty. AI-powered customer analytics helps retailers segment their customer base, tailor marketing strategies, and optimize pricing. It analyzes historical sales data and market trends to predict demand accurately, reducing stockouts or overstocking. AI also tracks customer behavior across touchpoints, enabling personalized marketing messages. AI explainability addresses the black box problem by allowing retailers to understand the factors driving algorithmic decisions. This improves personalization, customer retention, and returns processes. It helps retailers identify price sensitivity and offer targeted solutions to retain customers. Overall, explainable AI is crucial for building trust and driving sustainable growth in the retail industry. DeepSeek's Janus Pro is a revolutionary multimodal AI model combining advanced image understanding and generation capabilities. To deploy it locally, you need to install Docker Desktop and clone the Janus repository from GitHub. Modify the demo code to use the lighter Janus Pro 1B model and update the Gradio app configuration. Create a Docker file to containerize the application, install necessary packages, and set the entry point to launch the Gradio app. Build and run the Docker image using Docker Desktop, ensuring GPU support and mapping port 7860 for Gradio app access. Once running, access the application via http:// localhost 7860 BOSS. Despite some package conflicts, this setup allows for local use of Janus Pro, which outperforms models like DAL-E3 in benchmarks. Amazon is reportedly developing an advanced AI reasoning model, set to be released in June under the Nova brand. This model, part of Amazon's generative AI series introduced last December, aims to enhance problem-solving and decision-making capabilities by understanding, analyzing, and generating responses more intelligently. The Nova model will employ a hybrid reasoning approach, combining quick answers with complex, extended thinking, similar to Anthropic's Claude 3.7 Sonnet. Amazon's AGI division, led by AI researcher Rohit Prasad, is developing this model to compete with other leading AI models like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. Amazon is also focusing on making the Nova model cost-effective and competitive in terms of pricing, aiming to rank it among the top 5 performers on benchmarks assessing coding, function calling, and mathematical reasoning. The company has invested heavily in AI research, with plans to invest approximately $100 billion in AI and cloud computing initiatives in 2025. Manhattan Associates has leveraged deeply connected data pipelines to enhance its supply chain management solutions. The company's DataSave and DataStream services provide near real-time data replication and historical data retention, ensuring timely and accurate data availability. These solutions are part of Manhattan Active, which includes advanced encryption and security protocols to maintain data integrity and confidentiality. The focus on real-time analytics and scalability supports complex or large-scale data needs, streamlining data workflows, and breaking down silos. This approach enables operational efficiency, real-time tracking, and automated workflows, ultimately facilitating improved decision-making and competitive edge through comprehensive insights. Manhattan Associates' commitment to innovation, including significant investments in R&D, has driven the development of unified applications and cloud-native technologies, expanding its total addressable market and customer satisfaction.